These Pesukim are from this week's Parshas Yitro. It is clear that the Pesukim are talking about thunderings and lightnings upon Mount Sinai when the Jewish people are about to ascend there, or go towards there, to listen to Hashem telling the 10 Commandments to them. Here in these Pesukim, you can clearly see that Iran, Aleph, Yud, Resh, Nun, you can see them there in really large bold letters, is coded there. It's coded with a 16 skip. It's also clear that the Resh of Aran, the third letter, is also the Resh of the word Raida, which means quaking, as in earthquake. That's coded with a 21 skip. Before the letter Aleph, in fact, right before the letter Aleph, there are these parentheses that I've added into the text, and the parentheses are a gematria of a number of words that precede that Aleph of Iran. And the gematria is 5772, which is this year. So I think it's plain to see that Iran is going to have an earthquake this week. Actually, they already had one today, but they're probably going to have another one. And even though you don't see the codes here on this page, there's also death coded there and many people. There's going to be some destruction, devastation in Iran this week.